Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So today's video lecture is about the lesson 1.3, the cop and the anthem. So today in this particular video lecture we will see the activity questions from the lesson 1.3, the cop and the anthem. So let's begin this video. So if we see this particular lesson from exam point of view, we will have one passage, we will have one extract from this lesson, and the extract will be for 12 marks and the questions will be like A1 global understanding, A2 complex factual, A3 guess analysis, A4 personal response type question, A5 language study grammar, and A6 will be for vocabulary. So this is one extract that I took from the lesson, and let's see the activities based on this. So A1 is a factual or global understanding question. Question is arrange the following actions in correct sentence of their occurrences. So you need to arrange the 4 incidents. First one is the man followed Soapy. Soapy threw away the umbrella angrily. Soapy asked the man to call police and Soapy grabbed the umbrella. So first one is Soapy grabbed the umbrella. Then comes the man followed Soapy. Then Soapy asked the man to call police, and the last one is Soapy threw away the umbrella angrily. So this is the correct sequence. Next question is, which is a complex factual question. Describe the man's 2 reactions when he found that his umbrella had been picked up. So the answer would be like, the man followed Soapy hastily and claimed that it was his umbrella. When Soapy asked him to call police, he got apprehensive. Question number 3 is inference or interpretative question. That is, Soapy threw away the umbrella angrily. Explain the reason that made him angry. So the answer is, Soapy had stolen the umbrella with a secret plan. He thought that the umbrella owner would call police. After finding his purpose not being fulfilled and his plan had failed, he got angry. This would be the correct answer. So A4 is personal response type question. Give your opinion on the need of police department in our society. Answer would be like, as it is a personal response type question, your response may be different. Answer is, the police department is required to create order and discipline in our society. It protects us from unlawful activities and makes us feel safe and secure. So this is enough for 2 marks. So next question A5 is language study or grammar. So first question is, he had set his silk umbrella by the door. And question is, begin the sentence with his silk umbrella. It means it's a change the voice question. So the answer would be, his silk umbrella had been set by him by the door. Next question is, the policeman eyed at the two curiously. Curiously is underlined. So frame a WH question to get underlined as an answer. So the question would be like, means the answer will be like, how did the policeman eye at the two? So the answer would be curiously. So it will be like, how did the policeman eye at the two? Next question A6 is for vocabulary. Question is, match words given in column A with their meanings given in column B. So there are 4 words given in column A and you need to pair it with the column B, means with their correct meanings. So savagely means harshly, disconsolate means very unhappy, eyed means looked at, and hurled means threw away. So this is for your practice purpose. Question will be like, complete the verb choosing correct words from the extract. In his early life, Soapy had So what did he has in his early life? And A2 is complex factual. So I gave a question like describe Sophie's plan after listening to the church anthem. A3 will be on inference or interpretation. The question is like guess the reasons behind Sophie's arrest. And A4 is personal response question, that is narrate any two advantages or disadvantages of music. A5 is language study or grammar. So the first question is he would pull himself out of the mire and would make a man of himself again. Rewrite using not only but also. So you need to use the word not only and but also in this sentence. Next question is he would be somebody in the world. Use a modal auxiliary showing compulsion. So you need to remove would and use a modal auxiliary that will show compulsion, means you need to use must. It would be like he must be somebody in the world. Vocabulary in A6 question is find antonyms of the following words from the extract. Antonyms means opposite word. Something, death, the sun, word. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. Like, share and comment. Please follow us on Facebook. I am giving you the link of my Facebook page in the description box of this video. Keep supporting me. Keep loving the channel. Thank you so much.